What's up, everybody? This is Raul Boomin. I'm back with another video, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new lithium battery. It's the Down4Sound LTO 6.0 lithium battery. And I know there's a lot of other options when it comes to lithium batteries, but I'm unfamiliar with lithium. Never ran it before. I know you can build your own bank for less than what this cost, but for me, what attracted me to this was it's already pre-built, it works in line with my AGM battery, and I don't need a battery isolator. So for me, this was perfect. And I'm going to be unboxing the Down4Sound LTO 6.0 battery. Check this out. All right, let's get into this unboxing. All right, you see here, factory packaging, owner's manual. If you've never had a lithium battery, I strongly suggest that you read this. You're going to need to charge this battery before you use it for the first time. As you can see here on the website, they have a charger specifically for this lithium battery. It does not come with it. You have to buy it separately. This battery is not very big. You can see it is very, very small. Small footprint. That's another big reason why I bought this battery, because I drive a 2016 Jeep Cherokee. It's a compact SUV, and there is not a whole lot of room in there. Now, the output wattage on this battery will vary depending on your alternator. As you can see here on the website, they list the different outputs per alternator that you have. I have a 320 amp high output alternator, so I'm going to be able to get the full 5K. Man, just look at how small this battery is. I can't get over it. Truly, truly remarkable. Another reason why I bought this battery was being unfamiliar to lithium. I did a lot of research and came to the conclusion that LTO was the safest out of all the other lithium technologies. I didn't want to risk a fire, even though I know that's always a risk with car audio. But to me, this just felt like the safest option. Also, this battery did not come with any hardware. No bolts, no mounting hardware. You'll have to buy that separately, as you can see here on their Down4Sound website. I went with these ones, but at the time of this video recording, they are currently out of stock. The bolt size, they tell you in the instruction manual too. It is a M6-1.0. I went with M6-1.0 by 12 millimeter because once you have your mounting hardware and your washer on there, you're going to need at least a 12 millimeter size bolt. I bought a 10 millimeter and it was too short, not enough bite. Here are some shots of the mounting hardware. They come in two, one for positive, one for negative, and 8 Allen head screws. I'm sure by now you all have been wondering about the price of this battery. Here it is on the Down4Sound website. It is definitely not cheap by any means, but for someone who is not familiar to lithium and wants to get into lithium, this is a great choice. You don't have to build a bank, don't have to mess with cells or balancing cells. This already comes assembled. It works in line with your AGM battery. You don't need an isolator. And it's really, really small. And all those factors played a part in why I purchased this battery. Here's what the battery looks like in my Jeep. It's been in there about 3 weeks, and I'm very, very happy with it. My voltage stays consistent, barely any voltage drop. This thing recharges like crazy. And that was my unboxing of the Down4Sound LTO 6.0 Lithium Battery. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment for me. I'm a growing channel. I've been into car audio a long time, since I could drive, and that was back in 2011. I seriously love it. It's my life. Uh, it's probably an addiction at this point, but I can't picture my life without it. So, if you like the content, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Booming, baby!